up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Adjoa. If this is your first time, thanks for coming, and if this is your second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time, 100 times, God bless you for coming back to support your girl. I love you so much and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, come on girl, you don't want to miss out, okay? So make sure you subscribe and you always receive a notification anytime I post. Today I'm going to show you guys how I do my mini twists. Yes, these are some of the things I'll be needing. Tail comb, afro comb, a brush, some brush for my edges, for my edges, and some clips, some scrunchies, some more hair clips, it's a metal hair clip, some water in my spray bottle. So first off, I'm going to spray some water into my hair. My hair is dry and I can't work with a dry hair, so I need to put some water to bring my hair back to life. Right now I'm going to put some leave-in conditioner. This is actually Dark and Lovely leave-in conditioner. Like, it's one of the most popular leave-in conditioner in Ghana. The Dark and Lovely leave-in conditioner. So guys, in case you're wondering what I'm using, the leave-in conditioner actually softens your hair, it retains moisture as well. Okay, so now I'm going to take my rat tail comb and I'm going to divide my hair into two. So I'll take a straight line. When you're doing the mini twist, you can decide to go by a pattern. That is, just getting a pattern. You can decide to do it rough. You can just section it roughly without following any pattern. So I'm going to divide this into two parts: the back part and the front part. Working with this one, so I'm going to comb it. I'm going to try as much as possible to detangle it. One comes around, one, two, three.
have magic. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic.
Let's go to the front.
One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have
Let me hold this. The once I'm done with away from my so now so with this I'm going to start from the back to the I'm going to go out from the back. I'm going to clip this away. Three strand braid first of all. some points. As you can see, some points there. I take the one in the middle strand. The middle strand. I divide the middle strand into three, and I add it to the rest of the two like this. And then I use the two to twist like this. So simple, right? Very simple, right? Not stressful, very simple. So to the ends, boom, voila, that's it. So let's go. So this is the end result, and this is how juicy the hair came out. I hope you all like it, and I'm going to show you some styles and some ways you can style your mini twist. Apart from the regular style we all know, these are some few ways I style my mini twist, and I will advise you do a mini twist as a protective style, because mini twist prevents hair manipulation. Mini twists help in retaining moisture and helps also in retaining hair length. Mini twist also helps to thickening your hair if you have soft hair and you are looking out to strengthen your hair. Mini twist helps in that. Mini twist is the kind of protective style that you can do other hairstyles whilst you have. You can put on your weaves on it and it's still intact. You can keep your mini twist for a month or 2 months, and you are going to see the number of growth you are going to have in your hair. So guys, if you have not been practicing mini twist as a protective hairstyle, I advise you start doing it now. I was one of the people who never liked mini twist because it curls out my hair and makes it difficult for detangling, but ever since I find out about its importance, it has always been my go-to protective hairstyle. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, share this video to your friends and loved ones. You might not know who actually needs this information, so please try as much as possible to share this video to your friends and loved ones. You can share my link on your WhatsApp status and everywhere possible. Thank you, God bless you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.